Unit 7, Mixed Review Number 2. Marissa made 4 apple pies. The shaded parts of the model represent the fraction of a pound of apples she used for each pie. What expression can be used to determine the number of pounds of apples Marissa used for these 4 pies? So, first of all, we want an expression. That means that number sentence. What math are you going to do to get the answer? And so we know that she's made 4 pies, and the models show what each pie is. So this is pie 1, this is pie 2, 3, and 4. And so she used the same amount in each pie, and it looks like she used 3/5 pounds of apple in each pie. And so 3/5 in each pie times 4 pies, there's our expression. That's all you need. An expression does not have an answer. And so this is all we need, 3/5 times 4, because she used 3/5 pounds of apple in each of the 4 apple pies.